Hello everyone! If you're an avid crocheter or just starting out, finding the perfect Afghan kit can be a game changer for your crafting experience. A crochet kit has everything you need except for the crochet hook to create a beautiful Afghan or blanket. One of our favorites is Mary Maxim, who has a variety of crochet and knitting kits available. There are also kits available on Amazon and other yarn websites to explore. Mary Maxim, a trusted name in the crafting world, offers a wide variety of crochet Afghan kits that cater to all skill levels and styles. In this video, we'll explore some of the best crochet Afghan kits available on the Mary Maxim website, highlighting their unique features and what makes them a great choice for your next project. With any of the crochet kits, you can choose your color of yarn to make the Afghan in several different color choices. Let's begin with the Floral Prism Afghan Kit. This is a richly colored Afghan pattern that you can crochet and join as you work beautiful rows of floral motifs. This will brighten any room. Kit includes Mary Maxim Prism yarn, best value cottonwood yarn, and pattern. Finished size is 47 inches by 58 inches. You can find this kit and all the crochet kits in the description links below. Here are some key features of this crochet kit. Each includes everything you need to create a beautiful Afghan, including high-quality yarn and a detailed pattern. Key features: color variety. The yarn in this kit features a gradient of colors that blend seamlessly, creating a mesmerizing effect. Soft texture. The yarn is incredibly soft, making the finished Afghan perfect for cozying up on chilly evenings. Comprehensive instructions. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced crocheters. The next Afghan kit is the Crochet Snowflake Afghan and the Crochet Blizzard Afghan Pattern Kit. The Snowflake Afghan kit is perfect for those who love intricate designs. This kit allows you to create a stunning Afghan adorned with delicate snowflakes, making it a wonderful addition to your home decor, especially during the winter months. This Afghan brings sparkle into your home in several colors. Crochet motifs and sew together. Add a border for the finishing touches. Key features: elegant design. The snowflake motifs add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the Afghan. Quality yarn. The yarn provided is durable and soft, ensuring your Afghan will last for years to come. Detailed pattern. The pattern is detailed and easy to follow, with clear instructions and helpful diagrams. Finished size 48 inches by 60 inches. The Blizzard blanket has a skill level of intermediate and features a blizzard of snowflakes worked in tapestry crochet to delight all ages. Your color choice for that seasonal touch to add to your decor. Kit includes Mary Maxim Starlit yarn and pattern. Design is worked in blocks, assembled, and a border added to complete the project. Finished size is 54 inches by 68 inches. Another unique crochet kit is the Marrakesh Persian Tiles Throw. Indulge in the rich history and beauty of Persia with our Marrakesh Persian Tiles Throw. Expertly crafted with an intricate pattern of bold colors and motifs, this throw is a stunning addition to any home decor. Wrap yourself in luxury and transport your senses to a time of exquisite art and design. Finished size 46.5 inches by 46.5 inches and has a skill level of intermediate crochet. Another favorite is the Infinity Blanket Crochet Kit. High contrast colors gives this simple corner-to-corner blanket an instant modern look. Kit includes worsted weight yarns. Requires crochet hook H8 5mm. Size 51 inches by 64 inches and is easy to crochet. This kit has several colors to choose from. The Persian Tiles Throw is a new version of Jane Crofut's stunning Persian tiles design. This crocheted Afghan is formed by joining motifs for the look of beautiful mosaic tiles. Kit includes Mary Maxim Mellow Spun DK yarn and instructions. Requires crochet hooks sizes E4, G6, and size 7. Finished size 46.5 inches by 46.5 inches. Skill level is intermediate crochet. Next up, we have the Leafy Blanket Crochet Kit. It's designed by Adriana Mihalka. These lovely leaves are created with flipped stitches and short rows. Kit includes Mary Maxim Prism yarn that you can select different colors of yarn to make the blanket in. Requires crochet hook I9 5.5 millimeters. Size 37 inches by 54 inches. Skill level is intermediate crochet. Some other favorite crochet kits that you can check out are the Cat's Meow Blanket Kit, the Radiance Blanket, Gothic Windows Crochet Throw, Chunky Stars Stitch Blanket, Happy Hummingbirds Crochet Blanket Kit, Glimmer Waves Crochet Throw, plus many seasonal blankets for spring, summer, fall, winter, Christmas, and other holiday seasons. Why choose Mary Maxim Crochet Afghan Kits? Mary Maxim is known for its high-quality kits and excellent customer service. We like their kits for the variety of styles and easy-to-read patterns. Here are a few reasons why choosing a Mary Maxim Afghan kit is a great idea. All-inclusive kits. Each kit includes everything you need, from yarn to patterns, making it easy to start your project right away. High-quality materials. Mary Maxim uses high-quality yarns and materials, ensuring your finished project is both beautiful and durable. Variety of designs. With a wide range of patterns and styles, there's something for every taste and skill level. Easy to follow instructions. The detailed instructions and helpful diagrams make it easy for even beginners to complete their projects successfully. Whether you're looking for a cozy winter project or a beautiful piece to brighten up your home, Mary Maxim has a Crochet Afghan kit that's perfect for you. With their high-quality materials, stunning designs, and easy-to-follow instructions, you can create a masterpiece that you'll be proud to display. You can check out all of the crochet kits, patterns, and more through the description links below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.